guys, welcome to Silver Lake. Today we're gonna take a quick look and see how the hives are doing. It is the end of March. It's a little windy, but it's a really nice weather. It's supposed to rain next week. So I just want to check. We added pollen patties a couple weeks ago. Just want to check to see if they consumed those spring patties and to see how many frames of brood we have and to check how they're doing. So let's open the hive and find out. As you can see, there's a lot of pollen they're bringing in. I mean, a lot. Wow. So that's a good sign. So it means, you know, they're feeding their brood. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the hive that had a lot of food, a lot of honey. So we added half of the patty and they took most of it, but there's still some spring patty left. So we have 20% pollen, powdered sugar, honey. It's just a basic spring patty. Let's find out what's the brood situation, how they're doing. I can see there's a lot of capped honey. Yeah. There's a lot of capped honey. Yeah, this is also capped honey. And I can see the brood on this next frame. Oh yeah. There's a lot of eggs and capped honey, and they're placing pollen around the new capped honey. So there's one. We're definitely gonna have to add frame for expansion. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of eggs. So this is all this brood emerged, and then queen is laying new. So definitely gonna need some room for expansion. Oh yeah. Oh, there's queen right here. Okay. Careful with the queen frame. Yeah, everything is laid. Yeah, they're putting pollen on these end frames. Okay. So what we're gonna do with this hive is we're gonna remove this top box and then take a couple of frames, drawn frames from the bottom, put it up, and then take some of this honey and put it down. And bees don't like honey below them, so they're gonna move all this honey up in this top box. Later on, what we're gonna do is we're gonna reverse these two boxes and take one frame of brood in the middle, so queen will have all this top box that she will move into and then lay. We have still a few cold days coming, and rain and nights, so we don't want to risk having a chilled brood. We're not going to reverse boxes yet, but pretty soon we're going to do a reversal of the hives, of the boxes. Yeah, that's just a quick check for this hive. Let's see the bottom box, how it looks like. It should be empty right now, completely empty. But let's just check. Okay. So we did already earlier. We moved 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We moved one frame up, but it's already been filled up. So we're gonna pretty soon also start with foundations. Now it's will be a good time to draw foundation, because in the spring bees really like to with these new bees emerging, they really like to draw wax and build wax on frames. So that's we're gonna make some plastic foundations. As you can see, this was the honey frame that we moved down, and we moved one drawn foundation up. So as you can see, they already removed most of the honey and stored it up in the upper box. So let's see. Yeah, this one too. Yeah. Okay. So this will be a good frame to move up. You know, it's just a little bit of honey, but you know, queen can lay. You know, there's a space that she can move in right away and lay eggs. So we're gonna move this one, and yeah, this is another good frame, empty. So, and this one. So we're gonna move a couple of the frames up. Okay, let's do three frames. All right. So what we're gonna do is take the honey. Okay, and we're gonna put it right in the middle, so that way they will move this up. See, yeah, it's full. Okay. All right. Okay. See, we're gonna have honey on the side still, and they're bringing in new pollen. That's gonna be on the side too, honey and pollen. And we're gonna give some queen some room by adding this empty, like a drawn foundation. We're gonna put one all the way on the side, and we're gonna put one right in the middle, so the queen's got space till we do a reversal. Still have kind of cold weather, especially cold nights, and you can get chilled brood if you do that too soon. So okay, all right. Yeah, so that should be for this hive. So just kind of giving queen some room. So we moved 3 frames, drawn frames from the bottom box, and just moved it up and put the honey frames in the bottom, so the bees will move all this honey and put it above their brood. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching again, and happy beekeeping.